So you're ready to upgrade your PC, maybe install the latest version of Windows 11. You run a compatibility check and everything seems fine, but then an error appears saying this PC must support Secure Boot or UEFI is required. Suddenly the installation stops and you're left wondering, what went wrong? This situation confuses a lot of users. Your hardware might fully support modern features like UEFI and Secure Boot, yet Windows still refuses to proceed with the installation. In many cases, the real issue isn't actually hardware at all, it's the disk partition style. Your system drive may still be using an older MBR format instead of using GPT. The good news is that this problem is very common and it can be fixed safely. In this video, we'll show you how to convert MBR to GPT without losing your data thanks to Recoverit, specifically through its partition management feature. By the end of this video, you'll know how to check your disk type and safely convert MBR to GPT using Recoverit and its built-in partition management tools. You see, your computer's disk uses a partition style, which determines how the data is organized and how the system boots. The older partition style is called MBR, or Master Boot Record. It's been used for decades, and it works well with traditional legacy BIOS systems. However, MBR has several limitations. It can only support drives up to 2 terabytes in size, and it only allows a maximum of 4 primary partitions. Now, while this was sufficient for older computers, it doesn't really support modern system requirements. The newer and more advanced partition style is GPT, or GUID partition table. GPT supports much larger storage drives, allows many more partitions, and is designed to work within UEFI firmware, which is the modern replacement for legacy BIOS. Because of these advantages, GPT has become the standard for newer operating systems. Given this, converting your disk from MBR to GPT becomes necessary. So the first step is to check what partition style your system disk is currently using and do you actually need to bother with a conversion or not. Fortunately, Microsoft Windows provides a built-in tool called Disk Management that makes checking this very easy. Press the Windows and R key on your keyboard. This will open the Run dialog box. Type diskmgmt.msc and press Enter. This command opens the Disk Management window where you can then see all your storage drives that are connected to your system. In the bottom section of the window, find the disk that contains your operating system. In most cases, this will be disk 0. Right-click on the disk label, for example, disk 0, and select Properties from the menu. Go to the Volumes tab, and here you'll see a field called Partition Style, which will show you one of the following, either MBR or GPT. If your disk is already using GPT, you simply need to enable UEFI and Secure Boot in your BIOS settings. If the disk shows MBR, then you'll need to convert it to GPT before certain modern systems or upgrades can work properly. But before we do a conversion from MBR to GPT, there's a few important things that you should check in order to avoid potential issues during the process. First is confirm that your motherboard does actually support UEFI boot mode. GPT disks are designed to work with UEFI firmware, which is required for the newer operating systems like Windows 11. You can usually check this inside your system's BIOS or firmware settings. Secondly, it's always good to back up any important files before you modify disk partitions. While many modern tools can convert disks without deleting the data, having a backup ensures that your files remain safe in case something unexpected happens. You should also make sure that your disk is healthy and error-free and close any running programs that might interfere with the disk operation. Traditional conversion methods often require deleting partitions, which can erase all the data on your drive. That's why many users prefer the safer tools that allow MBR to GPT conversions without data loss. So in this section, we'll walk through exactly how to do that using Recoverit. Along with data recovery, Recoverit also includes a partition management feature that allows system migration and MBR to GPT conversion without having to format the drive. First, download and install Recoverit on your computer. Once the installation is complete, run the program. On the main interface, you'll see several tools available inside the software. Navigate to the Partition Management section. Here, click on MBR to GPT. After opening this window, Recoverit will display all the disks detected on your computer. Look for the disk that contains your operating system. In most cases, this will appear as disk 0. You'll be able to then see what partition style you have, which indicates whether the disk is currently MBR or GPT. Carefully confirm that you're selecting the correct drive before proceeding. Then right-click on the disk that is currently using the MBR partition style, and from the available options, select the disk and press Convert. Recoverit will add this task as a pending operation so that you can review the change before you apply it. Recoverit will safely then update the disk structure and convert the partition style from MBR to GPT. The process usually takes a short amount of time depending on the disk size. After the conversion is complete, some systems may require a quick restart so that the changes can fully take effect. Once the system boots again, your disk will now be using the GPT partition style and all your existing files and partitions will remain intact. This means your system is now ready to support UEFI boot modes and modern operating system installations like Windows 11. However, converting the disk alone isn't going to be enough. You'll also need to enable UEFI boot mode and secure boot in your system's BIOS or firmware settings. These features work together with GPT partition style in order to provide a more secure and modern boot process. Here is how to enable it. Begin by restarting your PC. As the computer starts booting, press the key that's required to enter the BIOS settings. This key does vary depending on manufacturer, but commonly it's either F2, F10, F12, or delete. You may see a small message on your screen during startup indicating which key to press. Once inside the BIOS interface, look for the Boot or Boot Configuration section. The layout will look slightly different depending on which motherboard brand you have. Locate the boot mode or boot option settings and change it from either legacy or CSM mode over to UEFI. Find the secure boot option, usually under security or the boot tab, and switch it to enabled. Save your settings and exit BIOS and your system will automatically restart. Once these settings are enabled, your computer will now fully support GPT-based booting and meet the important requirements needed for installing or upgrading to Windows 11. So, in today's video, we've learned why converting a disk from MBR to GPT is sometimes necessary, especially when preparing a system for a modern operating system like Windows 11. We've also looked at how to check your current partition style using disk management so that you can confirm whether your system drive is using MBR or GPT. And after that, we walked through the safe method for converting MBR to GPT without losing data thanks to Recoverit. And finally, we covered how to enable UEFI and Secure Boot in BIOS, which completes the setup required for modern Windows installations. So if you found this helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe for more step-by-step system tutorials.